If OBS crashes while you're recording, your video file can become corrupted and won't play. It looks like the recording is completely lost, especially if it was a long session. The good news is you can fix most corrupted OBS recordings in just a few minutes. First, make sure OBS is closed. Go to the folder where OBS saves your recordings and confirm that the video file won't play. Next, download a tool called Untrunk. You will find this GitHub link in the video description. Make sure you download the correct version for your system, either 64-bit or 32-bit. Once it's downloaded, extract the files and open the Untrunk GUI. Inside Untrunk, click Reference File. Choose a video that was recorded with the same OBS settings as the broken file. This can be any working OBS recording with the same resolution, format, and audio setup. Now, select the corrupted OBS file as the truncated file. Click Repair. Wait a few seconds. When the process finishes, go back to your OBS recordings folder. You'll see a new repaired video file. Open it and your video should now play correctly. In most cases, all audio tracks are restored and stay perfectly in sync. That's it. This method works even for very large OBS files and only takes seconds. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.